again. Gates open, they're up and racing. Singing Victory draws for your lead, running by the real famous girl, Navratilova. Moving up to take second, then comes Forest All, followed by New Golden City, Bruno and Moneybank. Past the 1,000-meter mark, Navratilova, the favorite by a nose. Then running on the outside, Singing Victory. Famous Girl comes next, then running alongside Forest All, New Golden City, Moneybank, and Bruno now running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Navratilova by a 3/4 of a length lead, Singing Victory saw the outside, closing in third by the rail is Famous Girl, Forest All, New Golden City saw the outside, Moneybank, and Bruno is still running at the tail of the field as the action swing for home. Famous Girl now the leader, Navratilova, New Golden City saw the outside. With 150 to go, Famous Girl, New Golden City moving up on the outside. New Golden City, Famous Girl is by the rail. New Golden City over Famous Girl, and finally New Golden City, Famous Girl, Bruno, Singing Victory, and Navratilova for your Pentapecta.
Okay, we have an